to add a product to your wishlist in the Temu app. Start by opening the app and navigating to the home page. From there, search for a product you want to add to your wishlist, either by browsing or selecting an item from your cart. Once you've found the product, look for a heart icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you have access to this feature, clicking the heart will add the item to your wishlist. However, it's worth noting that this feature is not available to all users, and it appears to be a new feature being rolled out slowly. If you don't have access to it, try checking back regularly to see if it's been enabled for your account. If you do have access, adding a product to your wishlist is as simple as clicking the heart icon, and you can then find your wishlist by navigating to the relevant section. Unfortunately, not all devices have access to this feature, so you may need to wait for it to be rolled out to your device. If you're able to add products to your wishlist, you can easily manage and view them within the app.